Yeah, I'm Shivalika. Many congratulations to Joy Lucas and thank you for inviting me. Store is really nice with a lot of variety and the designs are also good and I think it's a great thing city ke liye where we have more variety and things to look forward to. Definitely. I think the diamond section, the bangles are pretty nice. So agar purity अच्छी है, clarity is good. And I think diamond, I like the bangle section of the diamond side. I would say yes, gold is an asset, but definitely if the purity is there 100%, then we must come to Joy Lucas.
Hi everyone, I'm Thomas Matthew, the Executive Director of Joy Lucas. We have relaunched our Amritsar showroom, which we had opened almost 6 years back. The response from the public has been so great. So we decided to do a relaunch after 5 years by redoing the entire interior, bringing in new inventory. As an introductory offer, we are doing flat 50% off on the making charges of both gold as well as diamond jewelry. So do visit the showroom, see the entire collection. We are catering to all the audience. So we have kept jewelry starting from the range of 10,000 rupees all the way to 2.5 crore. So we have something for everybody. So yeah, let's go see the place and buy something. Yeah, so we have kept 50% discount on the making charges of both gold and diamond jewelry. And this is for every single piece of jewelry that you see. And this offer will be there for the next few weeks. So visit as soon as possible and see the collection. Thank you.
Amritsar audience को क्या कहना चाहोगे आप?
So Amritsar audience has been extremely kind to us as a brand, and we are one of the popular jewelries here because of all the people in this area. And we have decided to give back to the people by doing this flat 50% off sale, as well as bringing in the latest and greatest collection that we have across India. And we have the wide range of collection in diamond as well as uncut polki as well as traditional and temple jewelry.
Sir, और कहाँ पे है ये store?
So we have in Punjab itself we have 3 stores. We just opened our Jalandhar showroom. We have showroom here in Amritsar. We also have a showroom in Ludhiana. We are soon to open in Mohali as well as Chandigarh. In India we have 100 showrooms. And globally we have 160 showrooms across 11 countries.
कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Yeah.
अगर हम डिजाइनिंग की बात करें, क्या उसमें हम आगे निकल पाएंगे? हर रोज चुनौती है.
So just like any other industry, there would be competition, but then we are all surviving. People in India see gold not as a way of something ornamental to wear, but also as a source of investment. If you look at the price of gold, it has gone up by almost 40% in the last 1 year. So as a way of investing and saving up for the future, it still continues to be the best form of investment for the last 100 years. So that way, everybody has something to buy and something to cherish for their life.
तो रिनोवेटेड शोरूम का उद्घाटन हो रहा है. मैं कंपनी को बधाई देता हूँ. एमडी साहब आए हैं, इनको बधाई, नगर वासियों को बधाई. और हमें पूर्ण आशा है कि शहर के लोग इसको पसंद करेंगे. और आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से लोग यहाँ आए हुए हैं. तो मैं सबको बधाई देता हूँ. बेस्ट विशेज, कांग्रेचुलेशंस.
तो सर की कहना चाहते हो आज दिल्ली ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਾਰ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਆਮ ਆਦਮੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੀ?
आज ਅਸੀਂ जिस मकसद वास्ते आए हैं इत्थे राजनीतिक दल बाद ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ